Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make a 1.6.2 or any other version higher than 1.6.2 automatic furnace using hoppers and droppers. So let's get started. I'm going to head over to this chest and take out a dropper, a redstone, a hopper, a redstone repeater, a chest, a furnace, a redstone torch, a trap chest, and I chose stone for a building block, but you can use whatever. So now I'm going to head over to this pre-made dugout of what it's going to be. It's 5 by 5 by 3, so it goes perfectly leveled with the surface. You can do whatever you want, just showing you what it is. So I'm going to shut up now and build. So pause the video at any time if you need help or anything. So good luck, please like, comment, and subscribe.